How to get transparent taskbar in Windows 11. So here, if we go to settings, if we click on this button, which is Start Windows, and here we go to settings, and then go to accessibility and choose visual effects. So here, as you can see, the transparency effect has been already enabled. And then we go to use an external application. Here we'll click on the Windows button once again and go to Microsoft Store, and then we'll search for translucent TB. Here it should be pop up here. Click on it. Now choose get and wait until it's downloaded. It's about 2 megabytes or 3 megabytes, so it doesn't gonna take a lot of time, just a couple of seconds. So here the app being downloaded, and then we click on open over here. So now we can close Microsoft Store. These are some instructions and the permissions, so we just click on continue. So now once we click on continue, we go here and choose this option and go for translucent TB and give it right click. Here we go to desktop, and here we can change the color itself by choose any of these: opaque, clear, acrylic, or normal. But in my case, I would go with this one, accent color, the best option and the best feature in translucent TB. Click here. Now we can change the color of the taskbar here. As you can see, each color we click on change the taskbar itself. We can make it green, orange, red, pink. Also we can come here and change these degrees of the colors. Each one that backs to most of designers has already background about these colors, which are the RGB. These are as well. We can change this one from here as well, and with each color we change, it saves and reflects automatically to the taskbar here down below. So here we can change the color as well. Then we click on this one to save the settings. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.